Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Santaram National Model School. I'm your teacher, Mr. Sachin sir. I will be teaching you class 4 social studies. So let's start. In this video series, we are seeing the different types of physical features one by one. If you want to see the videos of each kind of physical features like the plateau, mountain, some water bodies like the lakes and rivers, the videos are already posted on your YouTube channel. So please go and watch this YouTube channel. So let's start today's video. Today we are going to see one very important type of landform, that is the plateaus. But before that, quickly revise what is meant by landforms. Landforms are the natural or the physical features on Earth's surface which are related to the land. Different types of lands comes under these landforms, and they are formed due to two types of process, that is the internal process and external process. The next very important landform we have already seen. You can go and watch the video on the YouTube. It is the plain. So in this video, let's start the main topic here. It is the plateau. Now, what is meant by plateau? In simple language, if you want to see, a plateau is a raised land with a flat top. Just a raised land with a flat top is called as a plateau. As you can see here in the adjacent images, these are the raised land. If you compare it with the surrounding area, you can see it here. If you compare it with the surrounding area, these two particular blocks or these two particular areas or this land is little raised if you compare it to the surrounding area. What does that mean? It is a raised land. The same type of lands may be seen in the mountains and also hills, but there is a difference between plateau, mountains and hills. What is that difference? It is the flat top. These two words are very important while learning the plateaus. What does that mean? You may be having raised land in the mountainous areas also and in the hilly areas also, but the plateaus are always flat on the top. The hills and mountains are having a peak on their top, as well as the whatever the mountain ranges, hill ranges are there. You are having physical features, you are having physical structures or the land which is having a peak at the top of them. So the plateaus are different, and that's why they means they are clearly visible that the top of the plateau is always flat. It may look like a mountain, but it is not a mountain. Why? Because you can see here the top of the plateau is always flat, and it always or sometimes it looks like a table, and that's why it is called as a tableland also. A flat top, a raised land with a flat top is called as plateau. As it looks like a table, it is also known as tableland. That is, the plateaus are also known as tableland. Now, there are so many plateaus in the world. The famous one or very important plateau, it is the Tibetan plateau. The average height of Tibetan plateau is near about 4,000 to 6,000 meters above mean sea level or above the sea level. The Tibetan plateau is the highest and the largest plateau of the world. In India also you are having so many plateaus. Instead, you might have heard about the Deccan Plateau, the Peninsular Plateau. It is a very largest area of our India. It is the very important, it is very biggest area of our India. But the most famous and most important, it is the Tibetan Plateau, which is area wise very large than that of the Peninsular Plateau, which is located in our India. So you need to remember few things regarding the plateaus here. A flat top, or you may say a raised land with a flat top, is called as a plateau. Plateau looks like a table, and that's why plateaus are also known as the tableland, and which is the highest or the largest plateau in the world. It is the Tibetan Plateau, and this Tibetan Plateau is also known as the roof of the world. Why? Because it is at near about 4,000 to 6,000 meters height. So this was the plateau. In next video, we would be seeing another landforms. Till then, bye everyone. Go and subscribe the YouTube channel. You can watch many videos on our YouTube channel of Social Studies Class 4. Bye everyone.